So hey guys, in this video I'll tell you how you can invest in mutual funds SIP through Groww application. So for this, first of all open the Groww application and here tap on mutual funds option, which is second option. And friends, here you will get to see a lot of charts like popular funds in Groww, all the collections like high return, which mutual fund is high return, all the mutual fund with you can start SIP from with 100 rupees, all the mutual fund in which you get tax saving options, all the large cap, mid cap, small cap. So friends, if you want to invest in mutual funds or you want to invest in SIP, so for this, first of all choose a particular mutual fund. Also for example, I will choose this. And guys, after choosing any mutual fund, then here you will get to see two options, which is one time and which is start SIP. So guys, if you want to invest one time with a particular amount, you can tap on one time. And if you want to start SIP, which is systematic investment plan, in which you want to invest a particular amount on the monthly basis, so you can tap on start SIP. And friends, here all the which fund you selected, all the stats here you can see, like the 1 month graph, 6 month graph, 1 year graph, 3 year graph, all the graph you can see here. And guys, you can see also see the rating of that fund size, minimum SIP amount, you can see all the stats. And friends, here you can also see the return calculator, which you can see. And friends, the price of a fund is depend upon the market condition, so be careful before investing and do a particular research before investing in any fund. So friends, if you want to start a SIP in any mutual fund, so tap on start SIP option and here. And guys, then choose the SIP amount. So for example, I will choose the SIP amount and then choose the particular date in which you want to make your SIP. For example, I will select this date and then tap on update option, guys. And friends, and then tap on start SIP option. So guys, as you tap on start SIP option, a verification OTP will be sent to your mail address or your phone number, which is linked with your Groww account. And friends, then tap on approve option. And as you tap on approve option, the particular SIP amount which you fill is instantly will be debited, and that particular amount will be also automatically debit on that particular date of every month. And guys, you can also stop your SIP when you want to stop this. And friends, as you tap on approve option, your SIP in mutual fund will be started. And you can see in the mutual fund holding section of your SIP, as you make this procedure, you can see that your SIP will be show after 1 to 2 days. And guys, if you have any questions, please comment on this video. Must like and subscribe to channel to get more interesting and latest videos.